Hello everyone, just want to show you a really quick demo, 2 minutes on transmission oil change for a 2012 Citroen C4 1.6 liters Turbo EGS model. Okay, so that's where the transmission oil goes in. Just a cap, you can pull it out like that. Okay. To reach that cap, you have to take the battery out and then take the battery tray out. Okay, so that's where the battery was. It takes between 1.8 to 1.9 liters of transmission oil. I believe it's more likely to be 1.9 after the research online. I used a 75W80 gear oil instead of a ATF because this model is EGS. It's basically a manual transmission with an actuator. Okay, yeah, again, to reach here you have to take battery tray and the air intake. Okay, and from underneath that is where the oil is drained. Okay, it's a very special bolt. It takes 7mm square drive, which I don't have. So this one is improvised. I used a table grinder. Just like that. It works well. Okay. Well, I think that's it. Thank you very much. It's Leo here.